Apple earpods, not the AirPods, not the like wireless AirPods, but the earpods with the lightning tip on it. This is the special one that is used for the iPhone 7. It comes with the iPhone 7 in the box when you first get the iPhone 7. Now, this is it. Oh wait, where did they go? I'm just kidding. I have them right here. So, as you can see, they're made by Apple because you can see that. And lightning tip. Now, I got an iPhone 7 right here. And I'm just gonna use it for the video. So, they have a microphone like the normal Apple earpods, and they look the same, just don't have the headphone tip. They have the lightning tip. So let's get started. Let's just plug it in. Now, as you can see, when you increase the volume, you can see it says headphones, so it knows you're using headphones. Now let's play a song or something. It's gonna play something on YouTube. YouTube. Let's do some songs. Play something. How about this? Now, you can't hear anything? Now, let's increase the volume. See if you can hear it. Sorry, I just sneezed. Now, let's see if you can hear this. Do you hear that? That's it. Yeah, that's it. So it's playing. Now, they work good, like definitely working. So let's see if the microphone works now. So let's go to voice memos. Try to do a voice memo. Now let's get that near me. And let's say, hi. Now, here's proof that it's not like working from there. The microphone just hitting here. Not a single thing's happening, but when you hit this, now hit this. Oh, sorry, let's move that over. Now, hi. Now let's see if it actually worked. Now let's unplug the earpods and play it. Hi. Now here's proof that it's not like working. Yeah, so it's definitely the microphone. It's definitely the microphone from the headphones that's working. Not a single thing's happening, but when you hit this, see that? Now hit this. I can see that it's louder when you hit the earpods. So it's definitely working. Now something's different about this is, first of all, this isn't like the tip. It's a little fatter than the normal charger, just so you know. It's probably because there's like something hidden there to make it work. Then everything else looks the same. They work the same, just the lightning tip's different. Now, it's not supposed to work with any other device. They say it only works for the iPhone 7 because like it has a special like thing that only makes it work for the iPhone 7. So I'm gonna see if we can do it with a different like device. Like let's see if we can do it with an iPad or something like that. So let me just get the iPad. Okay, didn't get an iPad, but he did get an iPhone, so that's twice good. So, got the iPhone right here. Now, let's see if it works. I'm just going to plug it in. It's an iPhone 6, by the way. Now, let's see this. When I increase the volume, let's go into this. Now, we're in here. Now when I increase the volume, it just says headphones. Now, let's see if it actually works, because most people say it's meant for the iPhone 7. So let's see if it works for the an iPhone 6. Let's play some more music by Pentatonics. Okay. Same song. Now, I don't know if you hear that, but it's working. Now let me increase the volume. But it's working. So, let me see if you can hear that. I don't know if you hear that, but it works. Now let's see if the microphone works in here. Just gonna go to voice memos. And hi, I'm starting to record. Click, 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 click. Now just touch that. Nothing's happening. Click, 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 click. Now I'm talking into this. So there, I made a bunch of weird noises. So that definitely works. But when you say into the like the iPhone itself, hi, blah 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 blah. So barely it's anything working. So it's definitely from here. Now watch this, ready? So the microphone is super far away. I'm talking to the iPhone. Now let's just bring it closer. You can clearly see it's getting much higher. Now let's unplug these and play it. To record. So that it's working. So turns out I've heard many people say that it only works with the iPhone 7. Well, guess what? You can go to your friends and say you're wrong, because it works with both phones. And it's fair. I like that, because if you can't find your iPhone normal headphone jack headphones, but you have your lightning tip headphones, you can just use that. So I hope you like my video, and I'll leave a link to get the lightning cable tip in the description below if I can find it. I'm going to try to get it from Apple, but if I can't, I'll try it from Amazon or something. So I hope you like my video. Have a nice day, and please subscribe to my channel. Bye.